Hello, Peter Van with DentFix Equipment, standing next to our DF-900DXE AluSpot aluminum repair station, one of the most thoroughly thought out, comprehensively built aluminum repair stations on the market today. You'll notice that it comes with the cover to protect it from all of the dust particles inside of your body shop, which include a lot of metal flakes. Removing the cover also shows that the box is completely lockable, so your tools are not going to migrate from this box into other boxes or possibly out of your shop. You have your stud welder and your squeeze puller in the top of the box ready to go. Polished steel dollies, plastic shaping tools, butt nips for removing the studs, and a knockdown file. Polished steel hammer set, plastic hammers, and a coating removal tool. Bridge puller, lever puller, and T-puller, and safety glasses. Electronic heat gun, E-specific IR thermometer, so you can get an accurate reading off of the reflective surfaces of the raw aluminum. 2 different types of aluminum studs, 2 stainless steel brushes, and the accessory kit with both the threaded fingers and the handy DentFix proprietary quick release fingers, and a short rod for your bridge puller. Aluminum hammer set, and a plastic dolly and shaping tool set. The DentFix DF-900DXE AluSpot aluminum repair station is the most comprehensively thought out, best equipped aluminum repair station on the market today, and it comes with a 5-year warranty.